Start. Sir, today the country is standing on what I call the escalator of stagnation and corruption. Stop. There is stagnation prevailing. Stop. Stagnation and inflation go together with fragile institutions. Stop. We have no strong institutions. Stop. We have combined these things with fragile institutions. Stop. They cannot absorb the shock. Stop. That is the situation today in India. Stop. The result is there will be galloping inflation even in future. Stop. There will be escalation of prices in future but no containment of prices. Stop. And your growth rate will suffer. Stop. Recession will continue. Stop. Because there is world recession, demand for our goods will also decline. Stop. There is no demand for our goods in the world because of the recessionary conditions in America and western countries of the world. Stop. Now countries after countries are dictating to us. I am sorry to make this observation. Stop. Japan, which was never making political demands on us, had the audacity to say today that unless nuclear proliferation treaty is signed, they will not in future give the assistance required. Stop. This is the kind of reaction. Stop. In the international world, sir, how do you function? Stop. In foreign affairs, how are you functioning? Stop. That is a great nation in spite of its weaknesses. Stop. We are proud of our nation. Stop. We have played our role, historical role in the past on many occasions. Stop. When the Prime Minister of India or the head of the state went abroad, I know and the House is aware how they were respected. Stop. Today, what is the situation? Stop. The Prime Minister of India has to go to business communities. Stop. Paragraph. We went to individual business people and addressed them in Germany. Stop. He voluntarily goes and belittles himself as the Prime Minister of India. Stop. I say it is shameful and he must keep up his dignity as the Prime Minister. Stop. We are not taken seriously at all. Maybe in GATT, maybe in UNCTAD or any conference in the world. Stop. We are following a very low profile. Stop. Why are you doing this? Stop. We are devaluing ourselves in our own eyes. Stop. Paragraph. If there is recession in India, there is recession in America also. Stop. If we are incurring debts, America is also in debts. Stop. The only economic superpower in the world today is Japan and Japan is dictating terms to America. Stop. But America wants us to surrender with bended knees. Stop. This is what the Americans are expecting us to do. Stop.